Hello friends, what's going on? Let's start our journey with more exciting fact about math. You will enjoy it. Through the beauty of nature, we get the knowledge of math. Even a drop of happiness are used to inspire the passing on of random acts of happiness and kindness, sending one such big drop for you. You will enjoy it. Our topic is concentric circles. You know what are concentric circles? The circles are all different in size, one inside the other, sharing same center. These are called concentric circles. Have you ever dropped a pebble into a pond? Not yet. Try once. You will see many circles that ripple out, same as in the picture. If you notice it, the circles are concentric circles again. Now we will go near woods. Let's go. Imagine if we go to woods, what would we do? Again, we will observe the math even in woods. We might go looking for a fallen tree to count the rings, which is built with nearly perfect concentric circles. You can clearly observe the concentric circles in the logs of wood in the picture. Isn't it? Do you want to know? What do the rings of tree trunk tell us? Their growth layers appearing as rings in the cross section of the tree trunk record evidence of disastrous floods, insect attacks, lightning strikes, and even earthquakes that occurred during the lifespan of the tree. Amazing. Have you seen spiders in your storerooms? So you also have seen spider web. We might look for an orb spider web which also has concentric circles in it. The word orb came from Middle English meaning circle and from the Latin orbis meaning ring. Now I will make you familiar with some facts about the spider web. Do you know silk goes from liquid to solid as it leaves a spider's body? Spider silk is stronger by weight than steel. So informative. Now, tell me, have you salad in your meal today? You might be thinking, why am I asking you this? Onions. Salad of onion is my favorite. Concentric circles are not just in ponds or the tree stumps. They are also in your kitchen. Slice an onion and count. How many circles you find? Look at the picture. Are the circles visible to you? Do you find them concentric or not? Just discuss it with your friends. It will be fun. Now, if I say that you can find the concentric circles even in your gaming zone in Kids Fair, surprised? Yeah, but it's absolutely right. Perhaps some of us have observed the concentric circles in the game zone. Have a look. You know what will be next? Now we are going to have some fun. Let's have a tour to our game zone. It will be interesting. Look at this. Want to ride it? It's my kid's favorite ride. You would also have enjoyed it many times. It's Ferris wheel. Am I right? Have you ever visited any village? If yes, you must be familiar to it. It's cartwheel. Now, tell me, who is the perfect artist? Challenge your friend to play this amazing game, dartboard. While visiting the game zone, have you noticed all these objects have concentric circles in them? Hope all of you have enjoyed the tour of Gain Zone as well as the journey full of exciting facts. Now it's time to do research on next fact. See you again with new and amazing facts. Bye bye.